Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving ownership. Make sure you are the device owner or have explicit permission. Once confirmed, keep the phone unlocked and online. Many removal paths require connectivity. Have the Google account email and any recovery phone or email ready so you can attempt account recovery if needed. Do not try workarounds. Unauthorized attempts can trigger factory reset protection. If you don't have recovery options, prepare to contact the account owner or Google support before proceeding. Next, attempt Google account recovery. Go to Accounts. Google.com/signin/recovery from a browser or the phone's Chrome app. Follow the prompts, enter the email, use recovery phone verification, or check the recovery email for codes. Provide recent passwords or device details when asked. Google uses these signals to confirm identity. Once you regain access, remove the account under Settings Accounts Google. If recovery succeeds, make sure two-factor methods are updated so future access is smooth. If recovery fails and you legitimately need to remove the account, a factory reset is a last resort, but be cautious. Android's factory reset protection may lock the device without account credentials. Before resetting, contact the account owner or Google support and have proof of ownership ready. If the device becomes locked, manufacturer service centers can assist when you present receipts or serial numbers. As a troubleshooting tip, always keep recovery options current to avoid this situation in future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.